Hello, wonderful friends. Today I want to share something special with you. There's a beautiful verse in the Quran that says, "So whoever does an atom's weight of good will see it." That's from Surah Az-Zalzalah, Ayah 7. An atom is something so tiny you can't even see it. This verse tells us that even the smallest good deed matters to Allah. Every little kindness counts. Let me tell you a story about a girl named Amira. One morning, Amira was walking to school when she saw a tiny bird on the ground. The little bird had fallen from its nest and couldn't fly back up. Amira gently picked up the bird, found a safe branch, and carefully placed it there. It only took a minute, but Amira felt happy inside. That afternoon, something wonderful happened. Amira's little brother was sad because he lost his favorite toy. Amira helped him search until they found it under the couch. Her brother gave her the biggest hug. Her mom said she was proud of how kind Amira had been. Amira realized that helping the bird had made her heart feel so good that she wanted to keep helping others. You see, dear friends, that's what the ayat means. When Amira did that tiny good deed for the bird, she saw the good come back to her. Her kindness grew and grew, like a seed that becomes a beautiful tree. Allah sees every small thing we do, and good deeds make our hearts feel light and happy. So remember, every time you share your toys, help someone, or smile at a friend, you're doing good. No deed is too small for Allah to notice. Let's try to do one small good deed every day. That tiny act of kindness might grow into something amazing. May Allah bless you all and keep spreading goodness wherever you go.